Hi everyone, it's me, Sarah B. I'm here to open up, I think it's my 14th or 15th box from StitchFix. Yay! I've been getting into trouble with StitchFix lately. They've been sending me some amazing stuff. In fact, the last box I got, the sweater was so amazing that I wrapped it up for myself and put it under my Christmas tree. So we'll see how today's goes. I have a referral code in the description below. That is amazing because it will give you $50 to spend on your first box. So be sure if you're going to try StitchFix out, which never hurts to try, give it a go. And 50 smackaroos ready for you. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's my box, my return bag, my invoice, a note from my stylist. Look at this! I think it's my shoes. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Yes, definitely a pair of shoes. Okay, and this is my bundle. Woo! It's a jumpy one today. Lots of winter colors, which is fine. It's just funny, when I started this whole unboxing adventure, I was very much looking to add color to my wardrobe and pattern. But this looks like it could be doing it. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh, it's so soft. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if I love the buttons. But it's so soft. It's from Pink Clover. I think I have something else from theirs. Arabella, excuse me. Button detail brushed knit top. I cannot describe just how soft this is. This is amazing. Cool. And pink. I'm like starting to get into pink, you guys, which is not usually me. So that's fun. This is really lovely, actually. It's from Lalis. Lalis. It is sole mixed material top. So this, like, the front bit, this patterned bit, is like a blouse material. But the back and the sleeves are, they feel equivalent to how amazingly soft this other shirt was, as far as being a knit material. Oh man, this is really nice. And then this looks like, oh my gosh, okay. It is a Pink Clover, like a turtlenecky pullover. It's just knit, but it's not a kangaroo pocket, but it is pockets in the shirt. Again, really soft, and a StitchFix exclusive. I'm always more tempted, I have to say. It's a great strategy on StitchFix's part, because I'm always more tempted to snag something that I like, that it's a StitchFix exclusive, because, you know, you're not going to run into it into the average world. Oh my gosh. And then the last piece, well, besides the shoes, is from Evolution. Evolution by Cyrus. Lowy belted marled cardigan. Sure is. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. It's so heavy and dense, which is exactly what you look for in a cardigan now that we're headed into like the most blustery months of the year, at least here where I am in Northeast Pennsylvania. Oh my goodness. Again, a StitchFix exclusive. This is going to be a problem, you guys. I can tell already. But I'm really, really eager to see what the shoes are. The last shoes that they sent me were a pair of Keds that were purple, like lavender. They were amazing. I wear them probably every day. Oh man. They're Toms. I love Toms. The original one for one company. I love Toms. They are the classic style in birch technical knit. It's like, it's interesting. It's not just like a plain, you know. Oh, and they sent the sticker too. When you buy Toms, you get a sticker that you can stick on something. My children stick them all over my house, but that's beside the point. That's funny that they sent the sticker too, that you would have otherwise purchased or received when purchasing. Oh, and the back is leather, I think. Okay, I'm going to get to trying things on. I'm very excited. Okay. So I just realized that they only sent me tops this time and shoes. Usually I get a pair of bottoms as well, but I'm not complaining. It's just an interesting observation. I kind of really love this. It's really soft, and I don't like turtlenecks because they're very claustrophobic, but this is very much a cowl neck, and I love it. And the pockets, like, oh, you guys, it's actually really nice. I just, if I could change something about it, it would be a different color. I mean, it's perfect, you know, winter color, whatever. It's fine, but because I'm trying to add more brightness to my wardrobe just generally, I would just wish it would be a slightly brighter color. I also realized I just bought like 3 tops in this color in the very recent past, so that might be a dissuading factor. But there's way more to try on, so let me get to it. So comfortable, like perfect length in the arms, perfect length in the body. I don't know about these buttons. Knowing me and how I operate, they're gonna get caught on something and like ripped off. But I do like them, so we'll see. And adds color to my wardrobe. I think this is a total, absolute win. I really love it. Yay! All right, so we have the sweater and the other shirt to try on. This is a great piece too because the front part is this like not stretchy blouse material. It makes having the back being the stretchy jersey like all the more important. I don't think it would have fit otherwise just because of the way I'm built, but it's super comfy and really nice and very professional, right? Like going to work wearing this would be easy peasy. I'd feel a little bit overdressed going to play groups, but that's okay. Let me grab the sweater really quick and try that on as well. Tied up. It's like a really dense, heavy wool, which I love. It's like my favorite. Yes, and it's like oversized, and there's big pockets, and it's like probably actually too big for me, but with cardigans, you kind of want them to be. I don't know, right? Like make it just like super cozy. I don't know, I really like it. Again, the downside is the color. Who am I and what have I done with Sarah? The downside is the color in that it's just like, you know, winter colors. I'll be really excited for spring color boxes to come again. They're really fun. But anyway, yeah, we'll take it. Super cozy, super comfy, something I can always use in my wardrobe as well. All right, let's get dressed and see how much all of this costs. All right, so let's see. Here's the note from my stylist. Let's look at that first. Can't believe 2019 is coming to a close. Look forward to partnering with you in 2020. She avoided jeans because I told her I had plenty of them. opted for cozy sweaters and tops to help tackle the next few months of cold weather. This cardigan from Evolution by Cyrus is the perfect outer layer for a warm outfit. It's true. You could just wear that. The marbled fabric gives a unique design, and the belted look is a huge trend this year. Good to know. Color blocking is also a big trend this season and brings a modern twist to the beloved stripe pattern. The top from Pink Clover brings this trend to life with its gorgeous color palette and button details. Happy styling. Thank you, Meredith. I really love working with Meredith. She's pretty great. And that color block top is amazing. Number 14. I always get lost. I always forget which box I'm on. On 14. Ridiculous. Okay, so the sweater, the marled belted sweater, which is so comfy, cozy, and lovely, is $78. The Arabella buttoned, detailed, brushed, blah, blah, blah. Like the title of it is so long it goes off the page. But is my favorite piece of this box for sure. It's $42. The Toms in classic Alpargata terry cloth flat are $55, which is the price for Toms, right? The Pink Clover Sharia knit top in olive with a cow neck is $44. And the Lelise Soul Mixed material top, which was like super professional and fun, is $46. So if you buy everything, it would be $265 minus the 25% discount is $189 for everything. That's pretty great. I have the Style Pass, which means that I don't pay the $20 styling fee per box anymore. I paid a one-time fee of $50, and I get as many boxes as I want for the year, which is amazing. I definitely love the color block top, and that is definitely staying with me. And I'm going to see if I can make this work as well, because it's just like a really nice piece to have in a wardrobe. I don't know about the $78 for the cardigan. It's really comfy, soft, lovely, but that might be a little bit out of my budget, especially since we're now paying the holiday bills. And my kids had a good Christmas. And the cow neck Pink Clover top in the olive green, I really love, but I wish it weren't olive. And I guess that's all there is to it. And the Toms, they fit okay, but I need something a little bit more stable for the really active, like, walking lifestyle that I lead. I'm always, like, traipsing through mud puddles and stuff with my kids, intentionally or not. So I need to make sure that my shoes can hold up to that. So while I love them, I'm not at a point in my life where I can justify spending $55 on something that I know will get ruined almost immediately. So that's how it goes. This was a really fun box. My luck with boxes typically comes in threes, and so like the 15th box next time, it's gonna be amazing. I can feel it. I can sense it. 2020 is bringing amazing things. In any case, thank you as always for joining me. I'm so grateful that you're here and joining me on all these silly videos. Remember that I have that $50 referral code in the description. Use it. Treat yourself. Some $50 to spend on some amazing StitchFix knits. And until next time, be well.